The first part.
Peacock is one such bird whose importance and beauty we have always been hearing about. Peacock is one of the most beautiful birds in the world. Peacock is also the national bird of our country, India. It looks very beautiful and attractive due to its blue body and attractive feathers. Due to their beauty and nature, they are considered a symbol of peace, love, and luck. It is a belief in the Hindu religion that the peacock is associated with goddess Lakshmi, and if you see them before any of your work, then that work is definitely successful. Although these are only beliefs, the truth is that their feathers are very long and colorful in their beauty. Their feathers, made of green and blue colors, attract people very much, and a nature crown on their head further strengthens their claim to be one of the most beautiful and breathtaking birds in the world.
The second part.
The keel-billed toucan is one of the most bizarre and beautiful birds in the world, whose specialty lies in his beak. A keel-billed toucan has a colorful beak which makes them quite beautiful. Their strangely shaped beaks make them very attractive and interesting. These are also called rainbow-billed toucans. Keel-billed toucan birds are found in Central and South America. Due to their large beak, they may not fly well, but due to their fierce beak, they become very powerful birds. Their babies are blind at birth, taking 8 to 9 weeks to emerge from the nest. Due to the color of their body, they can easily touch their environment. It is the 5th most beautiful bird in the world.
The third part.
You will be surprised to see the beauty of the sea-barred Atlantic puffin found in the northern United States and Canada. One of the most beautiful things in nature is the Atlantic puffin. They are also called sea parrots because they have a colorful beak and penguin-like coloration all over the body. It can swim up and down the water with the help of its wings. They have a good driving ability, in which they sometimes touch a depth of 60 meters. The Atlantic puffin can reach a speed of 55 miles per hour by flapping its wings more than 400 times a minute. One surprising thing is that it can suppress 10 to 20 fish in its beak, which makes them quite interesting. Their coloration and beak make them one of the prettiest birds in the world.
Don't forget to like and write you on my channel, so you give me courage to make many more videos. Thanks, see you next time.